Welcome. I'm Damon, Krongold, Director of Projects at Burton. I'm excited to take you on a private inspection of the display suite at the incomparable 2628 Esplanade, Brighton. Located on Melbourne's most famous waterfront boulevard, 26 and 28 Esplanade in Brighton is an exclusive collection of 11 grandly proportioned boutique residences, all of which are full floor or half floor configurations. Designed by award-winning Wood Marsh Architects, these two uniquely sculpted buildings overlook Greenpoint Park with bay and beach views which will never be built out. With vast living areas, double-glazed windows, oversized master ensuite, Gaggenau appliances, fully ducted air conditioning and private lock-up basement garages, this stunning building over-delivers both inside and out. The verdant landscaping designed by award-winning landscape architects Taylor Cullity Lethlean draws design references from the building's sculptural forms as well as the beauty of the coastal environment. With construction estimated to commence in September 2020 and due to be completed in December 2021, don't miss out on this final waterfront opportunity. Perfectly positioned and perfectly proportioned. Make 26 and 28 Esplanade and its epic panoramic views yours.